I've always been saying that good rice milling machines should be sold to those who understand them. Those who are not familiar with rice milling machines only look at the price. But what do those who are knowledgeable look at? They look at the craftsmanship, the quality, the details, the service, and the reputation. Rice milling machines are not fast-moving consumer goods. You don't buy them every day, but you use them every day. The product has a price, but the reputation of customers is priceless. Use a good rice milling machine to save you from troubles in production. Follow me and let you avoid pitfalls in the rice processing industry.